In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free electronic signature with Paperform. If you're building a form and you want respondents to sign it digitally, Paperform makes the process very simple. You don't need any complicated setup, and you can add the signature field directly inside the editor in just a moment. To get started, open the Paperform editor for the form you're working on. Once you're inside the editor, go to the exact place where you want the respondent's electronic signature to appear. This is important because the signature field will be inserted right where your cursor is placed, so take a second to choose the right spot in the form. Next, click into that area. With the cursor active there, type /signature and then press enter on your keyboard. Paperform will automatically insert a signature field for you. This is the easiest way to add it, and it helps you create the field without needing to search through menus. Once the signature field appears, you'll want to customize it so respondents clearly understand what they're agreeing to. In that field, add agreement text. A good example would be, I confirm that the information provided is accurate, and I agree to the terms above. You can adjust that wording to match your specific form and the type of confirmation you need. The key is to make the statement clear, concise, and relevant to the information the person is signing for. If you want, you can also add helper text. This is optional, but it can be useful if you need to give extra guidance, such as explaining why the signature is required or what the respondent should review before signing. Helper text can make the form feel more user-friendly, especially if the form includes important legal or approval-related details. After that, keep the signature field selected and look over to the Format panel on the right-hand side. In that panel, enable the option called Question is required. This step matters because it ensures the respondent cannot submit the form without completing the electronic signature field. If the signature is an essential part of the form, making it required helps prevent incomplete submissions. And that's it. You've successfully added a free electronic signature field in Paperform. It's a quick setup, but it makes your form much more professional and functional. Just place the field where you need it, add clear agreement text, include helper text if useful, and make sure the question is required so nothing gets missed.